आयज आमी बॉडी बिल्डिंग कॉम्पिटिशन इम्पॅक्टाच्या नांवान घडोवन हाडला आनी येदो व्हडलो ओपन कॅटेगरीचो बॉडी बिल्डिंग आजून पासून गोंयांत जावंक ना विथाउट अ जजींग एसोसिएशन. दिस इज द बिगेस्ट प्लॅटफॉर्म फॉर बॉडी बिल्डर्स टू be a participant and be a part of the bodybuilding, and I think bodybuilding must be improved when the panel is judging panel is involved and association is involved. They have to become a broader mind and get more bodybuilders to compete. And you can see today we don't have an association, but we have more than 120-130 athletes has been participating on this platform. It's a big international platform. Whoever is winning this platform is going to go London competing BPA show, which is fully sponsored by Impact Gym. And here is my fellow colleague and my owner for the Impact Gym property belongs to Prajot. And Prajot, you can tell some. He's in fitness also. And
yes.
Competition बरे हा. सगळ्या बेस्ट कॉम्पिटिशन जाल्ले हा. आनी व्हडले कॉम्पिटिशन केन्ना पळोवंक ना कित्याक हांव चड भोंवना कॉम्पिटिशनां बरें दिसता आसलें कितें पळोवन.
कितें सांगूंक सोदता येणाऱ्या कॉम्पिटिटरांक अशें कॉम्पिटिशनाक आयच्या दिसा घडोवन हाडपा खातीर?
मातशें आमकां मातशें हें जालें स्ट्रगल जालो कित्याक आमकां मातशें एक सगळ्यांचें परमिशन घेवचें पडलें. मात करूंक जाय आनी कोणाक मोटिवेटू करता तेंय बरें. सगळ्यांक मागीर हेंय जावंक जाय मातशें.
Sir, how difficult it is to bring this successful event today?
It's not that difficult, but as how specially event करता माझे event company London में आसा and to organize this time is like आम्ही लंडन में ह्याच्या व्हडले event करता गोवाडे लंडनाच्या नावान. Body building is my passion. आम्ही जिमा घातल्या and this is for bodybuilders. This is whatever they are going to get it here. It is for the bodybuilders, and I am there for the bodybuilders always. सगळ्यांक माझो तेको आसतलो bodybuilderank. Whoever want to compete and come and friend and achieve a goal, I am there for them. I am there for bodybuilding and my gym is for the bodybuilders. Thank you very much. And आमच्या जिमाच्या टिमाच्या नावान, आमच्या ट्रेनर्स आणि माझ्या स्टाफाच्या नावान आणि माझ्या ओनराच्या नावान सगळ्यांक थँक यू व्हेरी मच. आमकां इन्वाइट केलें.
Trunk number 9, please come forward. Trunk number 6, please come forward. Trunk number 10, please come forward. Okay. First quarter turn to your right. Second quarter turn to your right. Last quarter turn to your right. Thank you. Please fall back.
Our very own Sir Michael Lobo. Now let me introduce to a person, a Fatherda constituency MLA. Ladies and gentlemen, he has done lots of impact in Fatherda as well as the Goa. So make some noise and he'll be having few words with us. Sir Vijay Sardesai, kindly speak few words.
म्हजे विधानसभेचे शिवोलेचे इश्ट बाय डिलायना लोबो, बाब दुर्गादास, बाब पंच सुरेश सोमेश आणि आज सगळे ऑर्गनायझर टीम्स आज ते कोण स्टेजीर आहात ते सगळे मानिस्त आणि जमिल्ले म्हणजे भावांनो आणि भयणांनो. शिवोले कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन एक्सरसाइज करपी लोक आहात आणि भायर येतात आणि कॉम्पिटिशनां करतात ही मातशी नविदाद. आमी जाणा की हांगा चड सगळे पार्टी प्लेस म्हणून हांगाय बी अशें फिटनेस आणि हे अवेअरनेस जे जाता आणि ते बसून एक बऱ्या लेवलाचेर जाता ते पळोवन खूब खोश भोगता. गोंयांत सगळे तरेचे लोक आहात आनीक पार्टी प्लेसूय जाय, म्हणून आमचे गोंयकारपण जर जितें दवरतले जाल्यार आमी गोंयकार फिटूच आसूंक जायना फक्त बॉडीन, तकल्योय आमचो चलूंक जाय. आज आमचें गोंय खंय पावलां, गोंय आसा रुळार आहा काय आनी खंय पावलां तें चिंतपाक आमी लागूंक जाय. हांव ओपोजिशनाचो आमदार, हांव हांगा रावन सरकार बरें करता आमी सांगूंक येवंक ना. हें सरकार करना, हे प्रायवेट ऑर्गनायझर मे बी आमदार सपोर्ट करता आसत, पूण सरकारान करूंक जाय आशिल्ली वस्त जेन्ना प्रायवेट ऑर्गनायझर आनी प्रायवेट एंटरप्रायज फुडें येवन जावंक लागता तेन्ना कळटा की सरकार चल्ला म्हणून. आज हांगा आसूंक जाय आशिल्लो कोण शहाजान, तसो पळोवंक गेलो जाल्यार स्पोर्ट्स, इट्स अबाउट स्पोर्ट्स, इट्स अबाउट फिटनेस, and we don't have the sports minister here. So it is the state of things that our Goa is lying today. But all the same, we've got to fight and we've got to survive and we've got to take Goa forward. So for that, I think Shioli also should take the lead. We have come after many years here. We also did some sort of a big change here many years ago in 2017. I think Shioli is now back on the track. But how much of the track is being recognized by their own government is a question, and I think the answers will come in a few days. Maybe Delilah Lobo knows those answers, I don't know that. All the same, I wish you all the very best. I thank the organizers for inviting me here, and whatever support that can come from our side will always be there. So thank you very much, and wishing all the participants all the very best, especially the women who are coming forward, because this shows that there is gender equality. A progressive society should have gender equality, should have the feminine gender also coming up and participating in events which show that the women of today are women of substance, women who are not only dainty but who have force and who can think and who can have also the muscle needed to go forward. So all the best, and thank you very much for inviting me. All the best.
Athletes, and the results will be announced soon.